Okay, it's recording. Oh, come on. Okay. I'm Paco.
Rambo, of course.
And this is a little bit different. I know we haven't been posting videos a lot, but this is the only time we can do it. So we are going to do an airsoft challenge, which whoever wins,
We know who that is going to be, of course.
it's me, you know.
Yeah.
The rules are you have to get shot 3 times, not including the shotgun because it fires 3 times, and 3 times and you're out. Ow, that's my foot.
I forgot that it was loaded.
You mean cocked? So this is the arena.
It's pretty
I'll
ghetto.
be hiding behind the treehouse.
And he told me where he's going to hide.
Yeah,
And I'll be somewhere in the frame.
and the rules are you can't go past the camera. And
Will you die immediately?
okay. May the better man win.
Alright, I'm gonna win.
And if you get shot in the face, that's a life for the one who shot it. Hold up, I gotta go around. You can hide behind it. Oh, and then if you get shot in the nuts, it counts. That's the line. We don't need change when you shoot me in the nuts. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, Grandma! Wherever you are. No! Come on! I got you! Look! That's one! How many lives do you have?
You hit me once.
Two?
Yeah, how many do you have?
Shot me in the thigh. That hurts. That's 3. Okay. I didn't even use my shotgun.
I used mine. Probably all the way too. You hit me in the face. That was the only time you hit me.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Rambo is the victor. And I got shot in the thigh.
I got shot in the face once.
It's all good.
So, well, let's go review.
This has been a Paco production, and Batman is awesome.